Picture this, a jagged sponge-like chunk of rock and ice tumbling through the void of space like it's lost its mind. It's not a planet, not a star, not even a typical moon. This is Hyperion, Saturn's strangest satellite, and quite possibly the weirdest object in our solar system. Buckle up, because we're diving into a cosmic mystery that's been baffling scientists for over a century. Hyperion was first spotted back in 1848 by astronomers William and George Bond. Even through their primitive telescopes, they could tell something was off. Unlike Earth's smooth, predictable moon, Hyperion looked like a cosmic afterthought, a lumpy, irregular mess about 360 kilometers across. Imagine a giant, battered potato floating in space, and you're close. But its shape is just the beginning of the weirdness. Here's where it gets wild. Hyperion doesn't spin like a normal moon. Most moons are locked in a tidy rotation, showing the same face to their planet over and over. Not Hyperion. It wobbles and tumbles chaotically, like a drunk astronaut doing cartwheels. Why? Blame Titan, Saturn's massive moon nearby. Titan's gravitational pull yanks Hyperion into an orbital dance so unpredictable that even NASA calls it chaotic rotation. No one can guess which side of Hyperion will face Saturn next. It's a cosmic coin toss. But the real head-scratcher is its surface. Hyperion is covered in craters, hundreds of them, some as deep as 10 kilometers. These aren't your average dents. They're sharp-edged and strangely uniform, making the moon look like a giant sponge or a piece of pumice stone. Scientists think it's because Hyperion is mostly ice with a dash of rock, and it's so porous, up to 40% empty space, that impacts punch right through it. Some even wonder if it's a hollowed-out relic, a fragment of a larger body that got smashed apart billions of years ago. And then there's the color. Hyperion isn't just icy white. It's got a reddish-brown tint, like rust mixed with frost. That hue comes from organic compounds, the building blocks of life, possibly dumped on it by Saturn's rings, or its neighbor, Iapetus. Could Hyperion be a frozen time capsule, holding clues to the solar system's violent birth? Researchers are still debating that one. Here's the kicker. In 2005, NASA's Cassini spacecraft flew by and snapped photos that only deepened the mystery. Hyperion's surface wasn't just pockmarked. It was charged with static electricity, strong enough to zap dust particles into orbit around it. A moon with its own mini-atmosphere of electrified debris? That's the kind of oddity that keeps astronomers up at night. So what is Hyperion? A shattered survivor of a cosmic collision? A clue to Saturn's ancient past? Or just the solar system's quirkiest misfit? One thing's for sure, it doesn't play by the rules. Next time you look up at the stars, remember, out there, orbiting Saturn, is a tumbling, cratered enigma that refuses to fit in. If you're hooked on cosmic oddities like this, hit that subscribe button. We've got more mysteries coming your way, like the hexagon storm on Saturn or the vanishing rings of Uranus. Which weird wonder should we explore next? Drop your thoughts below.